across the hill so high. A million cries beneath the silent sky. The ground turned red with tears untold. A shattered nation left out in the cold. Through the ashes of a world undone, mourning the lives of fathers and sons. Mothers wept, then children screamed. Hope felt so distant, like a broken dream. We remember the pain we cannot erase, the spirits of courage in every place. Through darkness and sorrow we found the light. We rebuild a future where hearts unite. The past still whispers on the evening breeze, but strength is louder than our knees that seize. Through the cracks of heartbreak, flowers bloom. We hold the promise to banish the gloom. Hand in hand, we build what's torn. A rising sun, though we were forlorn. No hate survives where love is sown. The seeds of peace in the soil we've grown. We remember the pain we cannot erase, the spirits of courage in every place. Through darkness and sorrow